Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down a very simple question. Why does the US stock market always recover? No matter the crash, recession, inflation, or bad news, the market keeps climbing in the long run. Let's make this super easy to understand. If you zoom in on the stock market, it looks scary. Big drops, panic, red candles everywhere. But if you zoom out, something amazing becomes clear. For over 100 years, the US stock market has moved up. We've seen the Great Depression, World War II, oil crisis, dot-com crash, 2008 financial meltdown, COVID-19 market collapse. And still, the market recovered every single time. Why? Because the US stock market is not just a chart. It's millions of people building companies every day. Here's the simple truth: companies innovate, profits grow, and stock prices follow. Every time the market crashes, companies don't stop working. Apple doesn't stop making iPhones. Amazon doesn't stop shipping packages. Microsoft doesn't stop selling software. The economy slows down temporarily, but the engine keeps running. Another reason the market always recovers. The S&P 500 replaces weak companies with stronger ones. If a company fails, it gets removed. If a new company grows fast, it gets added. That means the index constantly updates itself to stay healthy. It's not the same 500 companies forever. It's the best performing 500 companies in America at any moment. So even if old giants die, the index survives. Every generation brings a new wave of innovation. Computers, internet, smartphones, cloud, electric vehicles, artificial intelligence. Each new technology creates new businesses. Each business creates new jobs. And all of that pushes the stock market higher. The market recovers not by magic, but because human progress never stops. Here's the real reason the US market keeps growing. The US economy rewards innovation and risk. People start companies, investors fund startups, new ideas get created every day. As long as companies keep making profits, stock prices will rise over time. Short-term equals unpredictable. Long-term equals upward trend. So why does the US stock market always recover? It constantly upgrades to stronger companies. Businesses keep innovating. Profits grow over time. Human progress pushes the market upward. Crashes are temporary. Growth is long-term. If you zoom out, the message is clear. The US stock market is a long-term growth machine. If you found this simple explanation helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment. Do you believe the next market crash will recover too? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.